Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Comedy Kapitara by Gopal. Today we will cover the lecture of Power BI interview master syllabus, and uh, it will be the guidance of overview of topics, like where we will know the what kind of things there are in Power BI, which you can remember easily. So let's start. And there are 15 modules. So our first module is Introduction to Power BI. What is Power BI? Power BI is a business intelligence tool developed by Microsoft. It helps companies to analyze data, create reports, build dashboards, find business insights. Interview answer will be that you can answer like Power BI is a Microsoft business intelligence tool used for data visualization, reporting, dashboard creation, and business analysis. Components of Power BI. Our first component is Power BI Desktop, used to import data, transform data, create reports, write DAX. DAX is a queries where some subtract, analyze, average, if conditions are there. And next component is Power BI Service. It is a cloud platform used for publishing reports, sharing dashboard, and scheduling and refresh. And third one is Power BI Mobile, used to view reports on mobile, where you can view your BI report in your mobile phone or laptop screen. What is the workflow of that? So workflow of that is data source into Power Query into data modeling into DAX into visualization. After that, it will be published. Interview question is explain Power BI workflow. First we connect data from source, then clean data using Power Query. After that we create relationships in data modeling, then we write DAX calculations, and finally create dashboards and publish them to Power BI service. Module 2, data sources, connecting Excel data. Procedure is that open your Power BI dashboard, click on Home, Get Data, Excel workbook, select file, then load it or transform it as you need. SQL service server connection. Procedure is go to home page, get data, SQL server, enter server name and database name. Click on load or transform. Uh, in this way, you can connect SQL server. SQL command example is that select all from customers. It will print all customers data. Next is difference between import and direct query. Answer is that import is stored in Power BI and direct query is data stay in database and faster. Import is faster and direct query is slower, and import is refresh required, and direct query is a real-time data which takes memory in your system. And module 3 is a Power Query, where we will learn about ETL means extract, transform, and load. uh, Important Power Query operations are remove duplicates. Procedure is that select column, home tab, remove rows, remove duplicates. Answer is that remove duplicates removes repeated values from the selected column. Split columns. Next is split column query, where procedure is that split column, transform, split column, choose delimiter from where you want to split the column, or you can also select the comma or space and other things. Merge queries, used to join tables. Procedure is that go to home page, merge queries, then go to select common columns, choose join types, what type of join you want. How many kinds of join there are four kind of joins: inner join, left join, right join, full outer join. Append queries, used to combine row from multiple tables. Example, table 1 plus table 2 equals to single table. And conditional columns, example, if sales is greater than 1000, then high, else low. It is a conditional column or condition applied on column. And next one is a module 4. Module 4 is a data modeling. What is data modeling? Creating relationship between tables. Basically, data modeling is a creation of relationship between two or one tables. That is called data modeling. Types of relationship. There are several kinds of types of relationships, like one to one, uh, one to many, many to one, like this. And one to many, most common relationship, where example is that one customer connected with the many orders. And interview answer. One to many relationship means one value in one table can relate to multiple values in another table. And then what is star schema? Star schema is best model in Power BI. uh, I I will show it in another lecture where I will show practically things. It looks like a star, and I forgot to attach image of this. Also, you can search on your browser. I'm explaining is what is a star schema. So star schema is basically fact table, and there are several dimensions are connected with this. This schema is said to be best schema, and it is much followed in BI. And it is a foundational data modeling technique used to data warehouse to organize data for BI and reporting. Both schemas, star and snowflake, are central fact table and containing quantitative measurable data like sales, revenue, customer data, and surrounded with its dimensions table providing descriptive content like customer names, orders, categories. This. So this is a star schema. Structure is dimension table, fact table will connected with dimension table. Example, customer table, product table, sales table relation. Benefits, fast performance, easy calculations, better reporting. Fact table contains sales quantity profile, and dimension table contains customer name, product name, region. Module 5. Module 5 is DAX. Full form of DAX is data analysis expression, is called DAX. And what is the definition of DAX? DAX is a formula language used in Power BI, used for calculations, KPI measures, and business logic. Calculated columns versus measure difference. In calculated column value is stored in table, and in measures calculated dynamically. And calculated column increases size and measures fast, but it doesn't take memory in your system. That's why it is faster system or database. In calculated column, it is row by row, and in measures it is aggregation applied. Interview answer is calculated column are stored physically, while measures are calculated dynamically based on filter, context, or visual card generations or chart generation. Basics Basic of DAX functions. Sum, total example, total sales equals to sum of order sales. Exponent adds all sales values, and count total orders equals to count orders by order ID. Why we are calculating or counting with the order ID? Because order ID is a unique for every order. Distinct count, unique customer. Distinct count, orders customer ID. Distinct count will be count, do not count repeated value. It will always count single value at a single time while it is repeating in another rows or same column. If function, sales category. If order sales is greater than 10,000 or 1,000, it will be high, otherwise it will be low. Switch functions is grade equals to switch true, and sales amount less than 1,000 comma low, and sales amount greater than 5 less than 5,000 is medium, otherwise high. This is a switch function. Important DAX functions for interview are calculate, most important DAX function syntax calculate, expression comma filter, and example west sales calculate some sales amount and sales region equals to west. Interview answer calculate change filter context and evaluate expressions under specific conditions. Filter sales comma sales amount is greater than 1000. This is used for filtration applied to a column. And all used to remove filters. Total sales equals to calculate some sales amount comma all sales. And divide used for division of between two columns like profile or sales. So profile margin equals to divide profile comma sales. Better than normal division because it handles divide by zero error. Related used to fetch values from related tables. Product name equals to related product name, product name of product. Time intelligence function. What are time intelligence function? Total year time date. Year time date sales equals to total YTD, sum equals to sum under bracket sales amount comma calendar date. So same period last year sales equals to calculate sum sales amount comma same period last year calendar date. And row context versus filter context. Row context work row by row and filter context work on filters. uh, Difference between row context and filter context. Row context operate on individual row while filter context filter data before calculations are performed. Module 6 visualizations. Common charts. Bar chart used for comparisons and example is sales by region, and line chart used for trends. Example is that month, and pie chart used for percentage contribution like KPI cards show important KPI, and example is total sales profile orders. Slicer used for filtering reports. Example year filter, region filter, or drill down used to go deeper into hierarchy. Example year to quarter, quarter to month. And drill through navigate the detailed page. Tooltips show extra information when hovering. Module 7 dashboard design. Best practice keep dashboard simple. Do not overload visuals. Use proper colors. Green equals to positive, red equals to negative. And maintain alignment, uses proper spacing, and focus on KPIs, highlight business matrices. And module 8 is BI service. BI service is that publish report. Procedure is that click publish, then sign in, then select workspace. After that publish. Workspace a collaborated area for reports. Dashboard single page summary, and report is multi-page detailed analysis. Scheduled refresh, automatically refresh data. Procedure open data set settings. Scheduled refresh enable refresh set time. Gateway used to connect local database with cloud Power BI service. Advanced Power BI row level security, RLS used to restrict data access. Example manage sees only their region. Procedure modeling manage roles, create rules, apply filters. Incremental refreshes only new data instead of full data. Benefits faster refresh, better performance, performance optimization. Best practices use star schema, avoid unnecessary columns. Use measures instead of columns, reduce cardinality, avoid complex visuals. Module 10 SQL for Power BI. Select statement, select from employees where clause, select from employees where salary is greater than 5000. This is a select statement. And order by is a select all from employees. Order by salary is decreasing. It will show the in decreasing sorting of salary on the basis of salary. Group by select department, comma some salary from employees. Group by department, it will show the sum of salary on the basis of department कि इस department की कितनी total salary रहेगी. It will show on the basis of that. And joins first join is inner join. Select C dot customer name O dot order ID from customers C. inner join uh, Inner join orders O on C dot customer ID O equals to O dot customer ID. So inner join returns matching record from both tables, and left join return all the left table records having clauses. Select department count all from employees. Group by department having count greater than 5. And window function rank. Select name salary rank over order by salary decreasing descending as rank number from employees. Our 11th module is Excel for analysis. VLOOKUP. This I will cover later because these things are Excel and I haven't completed Excel, but it is a Excel how can use for analysis. So we will let's see basic of that, and I will cover remaining part in another video, and I will explain it practically in system. Pivot table used for summarizing data, and conditional formatting used for highlight important data. And module 12 is project. Select dashboard project. It is a easy thing, you can read. It is like in sales data what will be KPIs, what will be charts with most common things available there. Example of that. Or another thing is that you will more perfect with the practice. So do too much practice, do practice. After you will be able to easily understand each and everything. Without practice you will think I can get to know everything. You can't. You will only be able to understand basic or overview things which a non-tech or unknown person can also understand. Unknown means unknown of this technology or tool. Difference between Power BI and Tableau. Power BI is Microsoft tool. Tableau is Salesforce tool. And BI is cheaper, and Tableau is expensive. And BI is stronger with Microsoft product. BI is stronger with visualization. DAX. What is DAX? DAX is a formula language in Power BI used for calculations and business logic. What is star schema? Star schema is a data modeling technique where fact table connect two dimensions table. What difference between measures and calculated columns? Measures are dynamical calculations where calculated columns are stored physically in table. What is Power Query? Power Query is used to ETL operations like cleaning and transforming data before loading into Power BI. What is cardinality? Cardinality defines relationship types between tables like one to many, many to one. What is RLS? RLS is a row level security. It is we can understand it is as a kind of filters which we apply. Who can view dashboard, who can access limited information or particular information. That's it. Or data access based on user roles. Important formula: profile margin equals to profile divided by sales into 100. It will give you profile margin. And growth percent, current year minus previous year divided by previous year, then into 100, it will give growth percent. And average sales equals to total sales divided by total orders. Best practices Power BI. Best practices use measures instead of calculations because measures are dynamic and calculations are take space or storage. Measure improves performance and use star schema. Schema improve speed and simplifies reporting, and remove unnecessary columns, reduce model size, and use naming standards. Example: total sales, total profile, or profit margin, like that. So this was our lecture of Power BI basic things which you should remember every time. So read it 2 to 3 times, then you will read it or watch this video or listen, and then you will be able to remember each and everything. For whenever you will go to interview, you will have some content in your mind. And if you read my another video that is also about questions of Power BI, that is a critical question. If you will see that, then you will be able to understand each and everything and how conditional questions are asked in interview. So that's enough. And thank you so much for watching my YouTube channel Comedy Kapitara by Gopal, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you so much.